Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So for today's video, this gorgeous baby finally arrived in the mail. I did purchase this during her first initial launch. This is the Jaclyn Cosmetics Flash Palette, and lucky for you guys, I managed to score 2, so I am going to be doing a giveaway. Please stick around to the end of the video so you can find out how to enter the contest to win this guy for yourself. And yeah guys, today I'm going to be doing a comparison, a first impressions, and a review of the Jaclyn Cosmetics Flash Palette. So if you want to hear more about that and to enter the contest, please keep watching. Okay guys, let's get started. So first, let's get the elephant out of the room. I want to talk about my experience with customer service, with shipping, and all the kind of drama around that. So initially, I was very impressed with the service I received. When I went on the website, I had a completely different experience trying to get the Jeffree Star mystery boxes. Everything was crashing. It put me in some queue that I ended up not getting the box. But this went so smoothly getting this palette, probably because she had a lot less traffic than Jeffree would on his site. But yeah, when I went on, it was a very, very easy purchase. I put it in my cart, checked out with ease, no problem. I actually purchased 2 of these as well as one of the loose highlights, but the loose highlight for whatever reason got shipped separately, which I found a little weird. But when I thought about it, actually ended up being way better for me because now I didn't get charged duties. I am again in Canada, so I get charged duties for packages over $100. And because these guys each went for $49, I guess they ended up not charging me duties, which is awesome. What I found a little bit shitty about this purchase was the actual shipping. I feel like it took a really, really long time. Everyone received their package before me, which obviously for my YouTube channel isn't the best. It takes so long to come, but it took a long time to come. And I really got frustrated with the fact that she announced that she would be available at Morphe after her first initial launch. I wasn't expecting that, but when I looked further into it, I realized that it was not on Morphe's website. It ended up making no difference regardless because they did not sell this guy in store here in Canada. Either way, I would have had to go through her website. So the shipping wasn't the best, but it also wasn't the worst. I did have to pay an extra $10 for shipping because it's international to Canada. So, but other than that, I was pretty happy with the overall service. Now the actual palette itself. So today I'm not wearing any highlight. Usually when I do highlight, I go in with a cream base first. So in order to test this palette out properly, I wanted to do one side with a cream base and one without. So I'm just going to apply, this is the Tom Ford glow stick. I'm just going to apply a little bit here with my Morphe brush. This is no longer available. It's a G40 brush. I'm just going to preemptively apply that here. And then on this side, we're just gonna leave it with nothing. So I'm gonna go in with this shade here. It's called Mesmerize. It's actually the most similar to Champagne Pop, which we're going to cover in a little bit. So I'm going to load that onto my Morphe M510, tap off the extra. I know you need to go in with a really, really little amount. And let's just see how that looks. Okay, she's pretty. I like it. Let me go in on the other side, tap off the extra. Just get my hair out of the way. Okay. I think to be honest with you, I definitely like the way it looks with the cream underneath, but that's me with all highlights. It's pretty. It's kind of more ordinary than I was expecting it to be. I don't know if it's like an instant favorite. Like for example, when I first used this highlight here, I've talked about it many times. It's part of the Hourglass Ambient Edit Unlocked palette. I love this. Like when I first went in to use this guy, immediately I knew I loved it. I don't know necessarily how I feel. I like the packaging, if that makes a difference. I do like the packaging of it. I think it's nice and pretty and sturdy. I don't necessarily know how I feel about how it looks on the skin. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment down below. What do you think? I don't know. Especially compared to this side, I feel like this side's prettier. I don't know, it feels like a really regular highlight to me. It kind of sits on the skin the way a regular highlight does. The reason I love my Hourglass highlight is because it doesn't do that. It doesn't sit on the top of your skin the way most highlights do. So I was kind of expecting a bit more. It is pretty though. Now I wanted to show you guys something that was super funny. This is Jaclyn Hill's original highlight. This is the first highlight I ever purchased. This is Champagne Pop here. I wanted to show you guys how similar these are. So this is the shade Mesmerized on the bottom here. I don't know if you guys can see. This is the shade Mesmerized and this is the shade Champagne Pop. Like, those two are really similar. Oh my, okay. On the bottom here is Champagne Pop, on the top is Mesmerized. I do see that they're slightly different, but they are really similar. I find that she like drew a lot of inspiration from stuff that was already around. It's pretty, guys, don't get me wrong, it is pretty. I'm gonna insert some swatches for you as well. So this is the Jaclyn Cosmetics The Flash palette. It contains 4 shades: Gleam, Iced, Sparks, and Mesmerized. She said it was formulated and produced in Italy, and it goes for $49 US each. My first impression of this is that it's very pretty. I don't know if it's immediately a go-to palette for me. I think they are higher end highlights. Like, I will say that the packaging is beautiful. It's nice and sturdy. It comes with a nice gorgeous mirror here. I love it. I think it really goes on theme with the rest of her stuff and just her general aesthetic. It's pretty. The shipping wasn't the worst. It's nice that it's available in stores at Morphe, even though that's irrelevant for me because I'm in Canada. But would I buy it again and would I suggest it for you guys? I don't know. No, I don't think so. Honestly, no. I wouldn't suggest it for you guys. I think it's a little bit overpriced. I think if you own several highlights already in your collection, you're pretty much gonna have this covered. I don't feel like it's special. When I was watching everything and watching everyone's initial reviews, I thought it may be something special. But to me, it just looks really basic. I'm not blown out of the water. I'm not super impressed. But lucky for you guys, if you have a completely different opinion on it, if you guys love it, I am doing a giveaway. Now, to enter the giveaway, you need to make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure you like and comment on this video, as well as follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. And yeah, guys, you have a definite chance of winning this. Congratulations to the winner of the Conspiracy Palette. I love doing giveaways for you guys. Let me know if you guys are more interested in giveaways. I love if new releases come out. If I buy 2 of them, I always love to give you guys one. So yeah, definitely give this video a like and a comment if you want to see more giveaways from me. But yeah, guys, that pretty much concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to leave me a like. Please don't forget to comment, and please don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me out when you guys subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.